Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your channel name on the YouTube app. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up YouTube, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then once you're on here, select View Channel near the top. Then you should see a little pencil symbol near the middle on the right hand side, so click on that. And again, there should be a pencil symbol next to name, so just click on that, and this will just let you know this is visible to anyone on YouTube. Changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So it's entirely up to you what name you give your channel, or if you want to change it to anything you want. And then when you're happy with that, just select Save at the bottom and your channel will be named. Thanks for watching.